Welcome back to another 5-Minute Friday. In today's episode, I wanted to give you all a short introduction to Sportec's new creation, the Ferdinand S. Hand-built in Switzerland to the highest standard with a price tag of 720,000 Swiss francs. Built from the ground up with a full nut and bolt restoration using a Porsche 964 chassis. This is craftsmanship at its best. Inside is a 4-litre engine, currently running 360 horsepower with modern engine management. To match that, it has a motorsport grade exhaust that gives you instant throttle response and a custom intake system which sounds incredible. On the rear, a carbon ducktail developed in-house and it looks spectacular. Inside is a fully custom interior with a no plastic mentality. I honestly didn't feel an interior made this well in a long time. The details are just endless. The list goes on for hours, but right now let's go for a short drive and just enjoy it. Welcome in. Definitely, I would say at the moment, one of the greatest driving machines I've experienced yet. Taking it relatively easy this morning, still on summer tyres, and as you heard, yes, this costs 720,000 Swiss francs. Nice and early on a Swiss mountain pass in a hand-built Swiss driving machine. It's, I think, one of the smoothest engines I've ever experienced. I don't know how they've done it. The gear changes, the throttle response. When you heel in tow on the downshift, just to blip the throttle. It's absolute perfection. Let's do a pull up to 7,000 RPM into the red line. It's quick. 7,000. Listen to that. The sound on this is perfect. I'm super fussy when it comes to sounds, but they nailed it. I spent a total of 4 days driving this and loved every second. It's a car that you go down into your garage just to stare at. You can find the full details of this build on the Sportec website. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.